There's a lot of money to be made in Enugu real estate market. If you are abroad and you're already thinking of how do you retire, what do you fall onto when you come back to Nigeria, you start thinking real estate. The reason why you think you're not making enough money from real estate is because of your approach towards real estate, the way you approach real estate. Most buyers want the best deals, but they don't approach real estate as an investment. They have a lot of sentimental, sentiments attached to their property investment. Let me tell you, one of the rules of a smart investor is that you should check the facts and check the number. You should not always go by sentiment. There are some people that they have this thing against a particular location, I remember when we started selling Owo, that was last 2 years, many people were saying, no, it's too far. In objections as a result of sentiment, as a result of their emotion. They were not looking at the numbers. And I remember then I was telling some client that, look, the governor is from this place, a lot of development is going towards this place. This is the next place you can put your money. I'm not telling you to buy here to live. I mean, this is an investment. Many people neglected that, but I sold a whole lot of property at Owo to my clients. I sold a property of 820,000 naira, 825,000 naira then. Currently, that property is 3.5 million naira. As at today in 2025, how many years is that? Less than 2 years. A property of 800k is now 3.5 million naira. If you want to sell it on distress, that is the power of smart investing. If you want to invest in real estate and you're not buying to live, you just want to invest, you want to get return on investment, you should look out for deals that are way beyond the price. You understand? Don't buy properties at a property value. So if a land in this location is for 100 million, don't look at buying for 100 million. Look at how can I buy this property for 80 million. So that automatically, immediately you're buying, you're already in an instant profit. So even if you buy today and decide to sell tomorrow, you can sell for profit. But if you buy at 100M, you bought at a good price, fair enough, but you still have to wait for that party to appreciate. So what I do as the estate lord is that I go ahead of my clients and I tell them this is the next big thing. I remember I've brought a lot of properties to my clients that after 3 months, after 6 months, they were able to sell for massive return. I recently sold a property for 10 million naira that's currently selling for 60 million naira. This year I sold a property of 20 million naira that's currently selling for 40 million naira. A lot of them keeps going and keeps going. In fact, a client of mine bought a property for me last year in Centenary City. He bought it at Divine Hectares. I think last 2 years, this was last 2 years, he bought it for 25 million naira. Today, this year, he sold that property for 60 million naira. That is over 100% return on investment. This is what I do for my clients. So any deal I'm bringing to you, just know that is the best deal you can get in the market. And if you want to start approaching real estate as an investment, then you have to start looking beyond what the property is and start looking at the numbers. Some people, they'll tell you they've not done this, they've not done that, but that is why you're an investor. You buy properties when they've not done all these things, and when they now do all these things, you are not selling at a massive profit. Many people did not buy new Enugu because they've not tarred the road, but today that they've tarred the road, nobody can sell below 40 million naira. But there was a time people bought Sister and Alliance for 30, 28, even 25. But now they've tarred the road. People are now selling for 40. Now I'm bringing to you Transit Estate at 9th Mile. Whether you like it or not, 9th Mile is the commercial and industrial hub of Enugu State. And what does this mean? Any place there's commercial activities, any place there's industrial activities, any zone that is known for commerce and industry, these places are the places that can get a high return on investment, because just one industry that will come here now, this whole place has skyrocketed by over 1000%. You can ask of Ibejuleki in Lagos. A land there 2 years ago was around 5 million naira. 3 years ago, around 5 million naira. But immediately the Dangote refinery came to Ibejuleki, they started selling a plot of land, that same land, for 50 million naira. Land prices went up. That is the power of development in locations like this. And I have a property here at 9th Mile, just 5 minutes away from the 9th Mile market, along the major road called Transit Estate. This property is fully genuine and secure. It has a CFO title, and you're getting a government allocation paper. A plot of land here is 5 million naira. But currently, we are doing a Black Friday promo for the next 20 days from November 10th to November 30th, 2025, where you can own a plot here for just 3.5 million naira. So if you know you have 3.5 million naira sitting on the bank, why not you own a 500 square meter plot of land here, and automatically you are in a 1.5 million naira profit? Let me tell you, you should not buy one plot in such location. In this location, you should be thinking about acres An acre of land here, which is 6 plots, is meant to be 36 million naira. But if you buy during this promo, you're going to be getting it for 21 million naira. This is the best deal you can ever get in the Enugu real estate market. And I don't want you to regret. Many people are now regretting that they didn't buy in Owo. Don't regret not buying in Transit Estate, in 9th Mile, right now, 2025. Give me a call on the number showing on your screen. Let me bring you here for an inspection and make you a landlord. This property is already cleared and it is 100% secured. And if you're buying direct allocation from the government, what are you waiting for? Give me a call right now. Let me help you secure your plot right here in acres and in hectares.